Hi crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I have received a package from the Washi Tape Shop, including some of the new fall tapes. So I wanted to do an unboxing and show you all the goodies that I got. Okay, let's give this an open and see what we have inside. The fall tapes were so cute. There's this one with these black cats for Halloween, and I just couldn't resist. I love how they package the tapes. Alright, this one is called Mini Snippets. Pardon me. Oh wow. I wonder if I can get this open. Okay, so each of these different patterns is actually, they call it kiss cut. So you can use these like on the edges of things on your projects, or put them on your envelopes, and a lot of them have like torn edges, like you can see here, so it'll come up looking like it's torn. So you could do like some really cool like vintage cards, you know, and put those in the corners. Lots of different patterns on that one. And these are all different shapes. There's 3 rolls in this mini snippets set. I thought these would be great for envelopes, and even adding interest to backgrounds on your cards. And this is another one with just different, more rectangle. And the colors on here are gorgeous. And you can, the thing I love about Washi Tape Shop is that they're repeating pattern. I mean, you get, this is the whole the repeating pattern, so you get a lot. Okay, so that's the mini snippets. Let's go with one. I love this on there with the cat. This one is called Midnight Mischief. This is the cat one I was talking about. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So these are all Halloween kitties. Look at this one. Got a coat and Crocs on. It's kind of funny. Some fall kitty too, I guess. You should have a latte. And let's see, this kitty is doing fall activities. He's baking some pies. Oh, look at this one with the mushroom. It's so funny. These are really cute. And the final one in this 3 set and these are really interesting. Kitty's in like a little potion bottle with a spooky swan and a cauldron and mushrooms. So I like this one with the coffee and the teapot. Oh, this one's really funny too. Alright. So that is the Midnight Mischief. The other fall one I got was really spooky, but I thought these would be good stickers to put on envelopes for Halloween cards. This one is called Haunted House. And these are stickers. So you have lots of kind of spooky Halloween kind of things with houses and this like pumpkin skeleton scarecrow dude, cauldrons, bats. You can make a really cool Halloween scene with that too. This one has a lot of sayings and stuff on here. Just a little baddie. It's funny. I like the hat and the lanterns, the books. Ugh, the creepy spider. I like that one too. This one has ghosts on it. Ooh, lots of pumpkins. Oh, I love the Halloween font. It's a good spooky tree. So lots of cool stuff. Look at the rose with the skeleton hander. A lot of really good spooky things in this set. Alright, this next one is called Baroque Lace. And I really wanted to get this one because I like to put washi tape on my envelopes to decorate them. And I thought that this would be a nice touch. Let's see. And they have different widths with this. Just trying to find the edge. So here, let's see. Let's see if I have a scrap or something. So that looks awesome. That looks like real lace. And you could just put this on the envelope flap and decorate it that way. And this set has all different colors. There's black, brown, kind of a reddish, green, and white. And then this set they sent me complimentary, and this is called Misty Haven. So this was a free set. This is a lot of country vibe. Oh, this one is all bees with the beehives. So I love that boot with the sunflowers. That's really cute. Oh, I love this purple one. Oh wow, look at a lot of blueberry images. Oh, it's so cute. Love the heart. This one's a thinner honey bee kind of thing. So these are all individual stickers, so you can just take them off and apply what you need to your project. Yeah. And finally, oh my gosh, I love this. This one's a thicker blue and blueberry one. Oh, look at how gorgeous these are. The colors are amazing. So cute. You could just take one of these and put them on the inside or the of your card, just to add a little, or on the back to give a little accent, or you can put it on the envelope for a special, you know, greeting. Okay, so that is that. Today we have the Misty Haven. And that was these four. That was for free. And then we had the Midnight Mischief. And that was the kitty cats. The Halloween cats. And we have the Baroque Lace set. And then the Haunted House, which was these three. Are more kind of traditional spooky. And finally we have the mini snippets. We're just like little pieces of stickers, and I love these hearts. So I will link everything from this mini haul in the description box. I do have affiliate links for Washi Tape Shop. So what that means is that if you click on my link and end up making a purchase, I might make a small commission from that at no charge to you, and that is a huge help to my channel and keeping it going. So I appreciate you shopping through my channel. Thank you very much. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have a great day. Bye-bye.